it's ODP. Very fucking coda. Nah, them niggas didn't get the quota. These motherfuckers keep calling 911. I'ma pull up with a real long gun. These motherfuckers wanna keep playing these games. I'ma shoot them till they ain't none. I'ma burn it down. I'ma track it back. I'ma sell that pack. I'ma make a flip. She want my legs, yeah, she want my dick. And either way, I don't give a shit. I just make that bitch go down for the dollar. Either way, young niggas talking and calling. I don't give a fuck about that nigga cause he snitched. So I kill him that then put him out in the water. Yeah, I've been floating on boats. Niggas know that they could not say a float. Either way, I had to keep the white and all the green and the coach and the shit that was so. Hey, you motherfuckers keep on talking that bullshit. I pull up with a goddamn 50 round full clip. And niggas know that I do not play no games. They better know my name when I pull up on set shit. This is the ODP king of the ring. And I shine like a diamond whenever I sing. And either way, I keep it on key. And you off of the beat. And you pussies can't beat me. Pussy nigga wanna keep on talking. I'ma go order you a new coffin. Either way, I kill these motherfuckers often. Do the shit cause the young niggas be flossing. I don't even gotta stop, don't ever gotta trip, don't ever gotta quit, just keep it all going. Gotta hit the stick shit, put it in damn motion, then I spin out my wheels. Pulling up like skirt, bitch want me to lift her skirt. I do not play with hoes, no flirt. I just make this money straight work. I just do it till I get turned. All of you niggas be up and burn. Yeah, you in the ground just like a worm. Fuck that shit, I do not gotta squirm. I hustle for everything that I do because my niggas know that I had to come up with crews. And I don't play no games with no pussy, no you a fool, you a fake. Get out my face for a chop it in half, ayy. I'ma keep going until they make me stop. Pistol pop, I always gotta reach the top of cream of the crop. That means I'm the best of the best, so there is no contest. Niggas know I've been whipping my wrist up in the pot just like a chef. Yeah. All my niggas coming like a white, niggas calling us the refs. Yeah. If you niggas wanna keep on talking, I'm